Santos here of Potentials.com, signing our channel. Let's study God's words. So, ang didakin natin today is when faith is all you have. So, yung Bible verse niya is from Mark 8 verse 3. How many loaves do you have? Jesus asked. 7, they replied. So, yung ating share for today is Sis Ruby Albino. So, ano ba yung story ni Sis Ruby? So, story niya is coming from vacation, she learned about yung kanyang mother who was sick with aneurysm and needed an open brain surgery. Wow! Such, parang ano, diba? Parang a challenging medical condition. So, sabi niya, she prayed for calmness and presence of mind. Yung mother naman niya, ang sabi sa kanya, why will I be scared? God is with me. He will take care of me. Tapos, parang yung kanyang surgeon, sabi ni Sis Ruby, pinag-pray over pa ng kanyang mother na i-bless nga siya sa surgery na i-perform niya to her. So like the apostle, yung mother niya surrendered and trusted God. So what do we have now? Come to God with empty hands of faith and He will fill you up to the brim. So friend, yan tayo, marami tayong medical challenges po, parang sinusurrender niya rin po natin sa Lord. Kasi sabi nga ng Gospel of the Leper, diba? Sabi niya, I wish that you will make me clean. So parang binigay niya or entrust niya kay Lord yung opportunity kung i-heal siya o hindi. So Lord, ako din po, I entrust to you na please provide me the healing that I need sa mga medical challenges that I am experiencing. Alam ko your protection and your grace and your compassion is encompassing na matagal mo na po akong take caring of me with all the medical challenge na pinagdaanan natin. You're always there to protect, to guide, and save me from all these mga medical things na hindi natin maintindihan, but you are there to give me this life of blessing and yung everyday opportunity to be alive. Thank you, Lord, for all of these things. So, ang reflection natin are you afraid and overwhelmed? Remember, God is with you and He will take care of you. Yes, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for giving me all the blessings and my family. Hindi mo po kami pinapabayaan. Whatever the season is, you're always there. I always feel so healthy. Hindi ko nga po minsan mabelieve that I have these medical challenges kasi hindi mo po ako pinapabayaan. You're always there to protect, to give me the strength of spirit that I need in my everyday life, Lord, at ang aking family. Father, help me to always trust that no matter my situation is, you will never abandon me. My soul clings to you. Your right hand upholds me. Lord, thank you so much. Alam ko po, hindi mo po ako pababayaan. You're always there to guide and protect me from all these challenges that I face every day. Not just in myself, but even in my environment. Thank you so much, Lord, for your love and unconditional blessing to me and my family. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.